The Qlife Electric Bike for adults presents an impressive blend of performance, design, and functionality, making it an outstanding choice for both commuters and mountain biking enthusiasts. With a maximum speed of 25 miles per hour and a powerful 1200W motor, this e-bike is tailored for those who seek both adventure and practicality in their daily travels. One of the standout features of the Qlife Electric Bike is its robust 1200W motor. This powerful engine allows the bike to tackle a variety of terrains with ease, whether you're commuting through city streets or navigating rugged mountain trails. The bike provides 3 riding modes: electric, assisted, and traditional pedaling, allowing riders to select their preferred method depending on the situation. In electric mode, the bike feels like a breeze, effortlessly gliding up inclines that would leave traditional bikes gasping for breath. The pedal assist feature also gives you a boost when you need it, making longer commutes feel less strenuous. The battery life of the Qlife Electric Bike is equally impressive, featuring a removable 48V lithium battery that allows for a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on the riding mode and terrain. This makes it ideal for commuters who may need to travel longer distances without the worry of running out of power. The charging time is relatively quick, taking around 4 to 6 hours to reach full capacity. This means you can easily charge the bike at home or at work, ensuring you're always ready for your next journey. The construction of the Qlife Electric Bike is solid and durable. With an aluminum alloy frame, it strikes the right balance between sturdiness and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver in store. The overall aesthetics of the bike are modern and sleek, appealing to a wide range of riders. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure that riders of different heights can find a comfortable riding position, which is crucial for longer rides. Safety features on the Qlife Electric Bike are well thought out, incorporating front and rear disc brakes that deliver reliable stopping power in various conditions. This is especially important for mountain biking, where sudden stops may be necessary. The bike also comes equipped with front and rear LED lights, ensuring visibility during low-light conditions, which is a significant advantage for urban commuters who may ride after dusk. The bike's 26-inch wheels are designed for optimal traction and stability, providing a smooth ride even on bumpy surfaces. The dual suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, enhancing comfort during your ride. Riders will appreciate the way the bike handles on uneven terrain, minimizing the feeling of bumps and jolts, which can be particularly taxing during longer rides. However, no product is without its drawbacks. One aspect to consider is the weight of the bike. While the aluminum frame keeps it reasonably light, the added weight of the motor and battery can make it challenging to lift or carry, especially for those who may need to navigate stairs. Additionally, while the bike's assembly is straightforward, a few users have reported minor adjustments needed for optimal performance, such as aligning the brakes or adjusting the gears. These are common in many bikes and can be easily remedied with a little patience. Another point worth mentioning is the pricing. The Qlife Electric Bike falls within a mid-range price category for electric bikes, making it a competitive option considering its features and performance. However, it may still be a stretch for those on a tight budget. For the features and quality offered, though, many users find it to be a worthwhile investment, especially for those who plan to use it frequently for commuting or recreational purposes. In terms of customer support, Qlife has received positive feedback for their service. Users appreciate how responsive the team is in addressing any concerns or issues, which adds to the overall positive experience of owning their bike. In conclusion, the Qlife Electric Bike for adults is a commendable option for anyone looking to enhance their commuting experience or explore mountain trails. With its powerful motor, impressive battery life, solid construction, and safety features, it meets the demands of modern riders. While it has a few minor